Welcome back. The Queen has opened a new session of Britain's Parliament with a speech Boris Johnson claims is the most radical in a generation. More than 30 pieces of legislation were set out, including the obvious Brexit.
My Lords and members of the House of Commons, my government's priority is to deliver the United Kingdom's departure from the European Union on the 31st of January.
A new counter-terrorism bill has also been added in the wake of the London Bridge terrorist attack, with tougher sentences for offenders. Now Mike's back with the final word on our heatwave.
And it still is sizzling outside. Our hottest day in 6 years, our hottest December day in 143 years. And how's this? We're currently at 43.5, so just a moment ago, 43.5, so just 0.2 of a degree off a record. Okay, let's have a look at some Christmas photos I have sent to Mike's Picks at network10.com.au. And a very Merry Christmas from Lexi. The picture sent in from Yen Chin Lo in Pascoe Vale, and Stephen Hollingworth has pulled over to enjoy a spot of fishing on a very still lake just the other side of Ballarat. 14 degrees in Melbourne this morning, but it's all about the maximum, 43.5, that close to a record. 43 still, the humidity at 16%, that is dry. That wind northerly, now gusting at 35 kilometres per hour. Around Melbourne today, have a look at some of those numbers. That's why you were perspiring on this Friday. Across our state, scorching up to 23 degrees above average in the north and northwest, 47.9, a new record way up there. Around the country, Adelaide 45, Mount Gambier 45.4, their hottest in 100 years. Hobart still very warm at 32 degrees, Brisbane 30, Canberra 39. And tomorrow in Adelaide 25 degrees, so very welcome change, 25 after a couple of scorching days. Hobart 21 and then 23 this weekend. Sydney 36 tomorrow, 23 on Sunday. Brisbane again the 30s, Canberra 41 tomorrow, but back to 27 on Sunday in the national capital. Across our state, a cooler southwesterly change finally is crossing Victoria tonight, and then tomorrow temperatures about half what they were today. Smoke haze still will continue in the east. The southwesterly change that will blow most of the smoke back up into New South Wales. The radar shows showers near the South Australian border and in Bass Strait. A severe storm warning tonight in the west. Tomorrow, a gale warning for the East Gippsland coast, a strong wind warning for the central and central Gippsland coast. Around Melbourne, well, northerly winds will shift southerly tonight between 10 and 11 o'clock, and then cooling right down. Check those maximums tomorrow. Frankston 20, Geelong 21, Yarra Valley 22, a lot more comfortable. And on the bays, we'll have southwesterly winds of 25 knots, waves at 1.5 metres, and it's a long one tomorrow, the sun setting at 8:42. So for our warm and smoky city by the bay, remaining very hot for a few more hours yet. The change in about 4 hours, and then tomorrow, maybe it's last minute shopping, 18 to 20, partly cloudy, possibly a morning shower or thunderstorm. If anything, less than half a mil of rain, so 0.5. Winds tomorrow will be cooler southwesterly. Now on to Sunday, 13 to 22 and dry. Morning cloud clearing for a mainly sunny afternoon. A good looking Sunday over for your barbecue. Monday, again 22. 12 to 22, partly cloudy, as lots of you begin your holidays on Monday. And then Tuesday, Christmas Eve, 27 degrees. And there it is, still Christmas Day. It hasn't changed. 15 to 28 degrees, partly cloudy, northeast to southeasterly winds at 15 to 20 knots. On to Thursday, Boxing Day for the test. How's that? 22. And this time next week, we're looking at around 26 degrees. So that is your forecast. Still a scorcher outside, but the good news, the cool change only hours away between 10 and 11 o'clock. And that's when you open wide those windows. I'll see you on Monday. Candice.
Thank you so much, Mike. That is 10 News First for this evening. I'll have updates throughout the night. But for now, it's good night from the news team.